Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. I am so excited about today's video because we are finally decorating for Christmas. I know I was late getting this video up, you guys. I don't know what took me so long, but today's the day. We are decorating. I am going to be decorating the living room, the sunroom, the breakfast nook, the dining room, my office, the bedroom, the entire house, basically, okay? And apparently RG wanted to come say hi, so hey to RG. I am gonna put on some music. If you are decorating with me, let me know in the comments, okay? We're gonna relax, we're gonna vibe out today, decorate, and get this house ready for Christmas. I also have a haul in there as well, so I'm gonna show you some of the Christmas goodies that I've picked up, but really I'm decorating with pretty much all the stuff that I decorated with last year, but you know me, I'm gonna be putting it in different places. I'm gonna be switching, changing, rearranging a couple of things. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you wanna hang out with me today, you wanna decorate for Christmas, then please just keep on watching. guys, it is day 2 of decorating for Christmas, and I wanted to show you a little haul of everything that I picked up. To me, it is not the Christmas season until I get my Bath & Body Works candles, so I got a bunch. I have Mary Cookie, we've got Cinnamon Caramel Swirl, Cookie Butter Truffle, Snowflake and Cashmere, Sugared Snickerdoodle, Marshmallow Fireside, which I plan on putting in Rob's Man Cave, and then I have some single wick candles as well, Snowflakes and Cashmere, Cinnamon Caramel Swirl, Cinnamon Sugar Pretzel Cookie, that sounds amazing, leaves, of course, and they were having a sale on their plug-in bulbs. I have Sugared Snickerdoodle, Iced Vanilla Woods, which is in the shape of a tree, which I think is really cute, Christmas Cookie Baking, Cinnamon Sugar Pretzel Cookie again, Whipped Honey Vanilla, and Snowflakes and Cashmere. So a lot of them are repeating because I plan on putting, like in Briella's room, I want her candle in her bedroom, the bathroom, and her plug-in to all match. So it's gonna be booming in here. It's gonna smell like a Christmas explosion in the house, which I'm very excited about. Okay, moving on to Anthropologie. Rob actually picked these up for me. I have more of these cups. You all know if you've been watching for a while, I love these cups. Every single season I try to get like a couple more. I have the snowflake one right here. I love the iridescent, like this is just so cute and like Christmassy. And then I have the reindeer one, again, very iridescent, like the white. This is just so cute. I love these, so I'm excited to add these to my collection. Okay, and then moving on, I have a bunch of different clothing items for the Christmas season. I am gonna be taking Christmas card pictures this weekend, and I couldn't decide if I wanted us all in sweaters and have it be really casual and laid back, or if I wanted us to dress up. Either way, we're gonna be wearing sweaters, so I wanted to get sweaters. We're gonna be wearing fancy clothes to church, so I needed to get new clothes. So anyway, this is a dress for Briella. I think this is so cute. This is a quintessential Christmas dress. And I also got her a cream sweater to go on top. And also I got some tights for her, these like cable knit tights. Comes in red and cream. And I just think this is gonna be so cute. Like, are you kidding? This is adorable. And for RG, I got this sweater. He also has like Christmas church clothes, but it's up in his closet, and we got those like a couple weeks ago. So we got this cream sweater. If we wanted to do family Christmas photos in sweaters, we have this one. And then when RG goes to church, obviously he needs a coat. So I got him this navy blue like pea coat situation. And I just love this. As much as their puffer jackets are fine, like going to school, going like running errands, I wanted a nicer coat for going to church. So got that one. And then for myself, I picked up one thing. I picked up this off the shoulder sweater, which I thought would be nice for if we did the sweater Christmas cards, but I love this. I think this is gonna be so cute. It's so soft. And then another thing for myself, I got this blazer. I don't know how I feel about it. I might actually get a different color in this. I think the shape of it is gorgeous, but it's just the color. I don't think it really does anything for me. I rarely get clothes that are in brown. Like I usually go for like a lighter shade or a darker shade or just some sort of color in there that's gonna pop on my skin. But this like matches it to me. Almost, it's too close. It's not enough of a difference. So I might get a different color. You have to let me know what you think. And also for Briella, oh my gosh, you guys, are you ready for this? How cute are these little boots? They look like Uggs. They're so adorable. They've got the little bow on the back. They grow out of shoes so quick. I just don't see the point in getting like actual Uggs until, I don't know, maybe like high school or something. So I think these are really, really cute. And to me, they look like Uggs, and she was excited about these, and I cannot wait for her to try these on. They're so cute. Okay, and then moving on, I ordered a couple of dusting powders from Lush. I got the scent Sticky Dates, Super Milk, and then I also, about to sneeze. I also got Let the Good Times Roll. So these are basically dusting powders. I saw a girl on TikTok using this, and this is like a very like, I don't know if vintage, like classic thing. You just put a dusting powder on and it softens. Oh, that smells good. It like softens your skin, and it's supposed to be like, it's supposed to prevent sweating. Like if you sweat under your arms or like under like just anywhere that gets sweaty, you can put some dusting powder there instead of using like baby powder or like, I don't know, like baking soda or something like that. You can do a dusting powder to help eliminate the sweat, keep you smelling good and keep your skin soft. So I'm excited to try those out. I guess since we're here, I'll show you some PR that I got. I got this this speaker. You all know in one of my last videos, I showed that I set up a whole record player situation up in the glam room. Well, they reached out and sent me this mini version. It's basically like a portable one. It's the exact same one that I have upstairs, but a portable version, which I'm really excited about and very thankful for. I also think that would make a great gift for Christmas. And then from Mugler, they sent me their Angel perfume. Looks like this. It's literally in the shape of a star. How cool is that? I just think that's really cool. And I sprayed it on earlier when I first got it. They sent me a travel one too. It's very almond. It's a gourmand. So it's very strong and it's very almond centered. Like this is pungent. Like you really only need one spray. I sprayed one spray, like right here, rubbed it a little bit, and I've been smelling it this whole entire time. So love this. And then from L'Oreal, they sent over this Glotion. They've sent this before and I've tried this on my face, but I guess they have a body version as well. So I'm excited to try that. So that is my holiday Christmas haul so far. Those are the things that I bought. I bought myself 2 dresses for church that are still on the way in the mail. But yeah, I'm gonna put all this away. Then we can continue decorating in the dining room, the office, and our bedroom. So let's go. I'm trying to figure out what to put here in my office. We're gonna experiment with some garland and see how that looks.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside, 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 outside.
And you guys, here is the reveal of our entire home decorated for Christmas. I absolutely love it. It is so cozy. And you know what the best part is, honestly? When the kids came home and they saw it decorated, they remembered a lot of the decor. RG was saying, oh my gosh, I forgot about this. And Briella was saying, I remember this from last year. So it was really important for me to not just buy new decor, even though y'all know I love to shop, but it was really important to put up the same decor as last year, as the years prior, because it's very sentimental. It becomes sentimental. And it doesn't mean that the decor is super duper expensive and high end and high quality. Some of the things are like home goods and, you know, knickknacks that I've picked up along the way, but they're meaningful because we use them every single year. I know that technically Ralph Lauren Christmas is the trend this year. Everybody wants their home to look very Ralph Lauren, which I love. I think that is gorgeous. I don't know what I would call my style though. I mean, maybe that's it. Maybe I would just call this Christmas decor my style. It's a little bit of modern, it's a little bit of traditional, some fun elements in there, lots of snowflakes and Christmas trees. And I just love it. I think everything turned out so nice, very cohesive. There's still the traditional Christmas colors of some pops of red, a little bit of like a cranberry red in there, lots of bows and faux stems. I love it. I think it's just very cozy and warm and inviting and perfect for the holidays. My little tip that I like to do is to put bows on your light fixtures. I'm telling you, it makes such a huge difference. It makes the entire room feel decorated because there is a huge bow kind of high up. It feels very holiday. So yeah, you guys, I really hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe, hit that bell notification so you never miss an upload. And me and all my Christmas decor, we will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.